Hey everyone, LM500 Gaming here, and welcome back to another video. Today, you're probably wondering, what is this weird screen in front of us? Well, today we are watching my best friend Jake 30's YouTube video. Now, I think I might have the link to his channel in the description. Yeah, I'm going to have a link to his channel in the description. And you're not going to hear the sounds of the video. You're not going to hear the video. I'm sorry about that. The screen recorder that I use is free, and it's not allowing computer audio unless I pay for it. So yeah, I'm sorry you won't hear the sounds. I'm kind of like talk and like say what he's doing in the video, but you'll still see the video. So I'm gonna tell you like what he does do. So let's start the video. Now it's gonna be a really short video, and we're not gonna actually make this. And it's how to make butter slime / clay. I'm going to tell you the ingredients, and I'm going to kind of tell you how to make it as I go through the video. So let's do this. Alright, let's turn up the volume.
Butter slime has 3 simple ingredients: water, salt, and flour.
So you need water, salt, and flour.
First, you're going to want to add in an amount of flour. I'm going to do 2 spoonfuls.
First, he's doing 2 spoonfuls of flour.
And there's 2. And you're going to want to add half that amount of salt. So I'm going to do 1 spoonful.
So then you do 1 spoonful of salt.
And now you can stir that.
Then stir it up.
And now you're going to want to add in a little bit of water at a time until it forms a pretty consistency.
Okay, so it adds a little bit. You just add a little bit of water.
That might have been a little too much.
Make sure you don't put in too much. And then mix it around.
So that was a little bit too much. So now you're just going to want to add in a little bit more flour.
Okay, so he said if you put a little bit too much, you need to add like a teensy tiny bit more flour and then mix it up again. Because he said that he put a little too much water in there.
You see that I got it to the right consistency. I had to add a little bit more flour. But now it's the right consistency. And it starts picking up all the flour in the bowl.
That's pretty cool.
Look at the consistency.
Whoa.
Consistency should be like this.
It looks like cookie dough.
I'm going to add a little bit to color my orange.
Ooh. He's going to tell you how to color it.
Dab here.
So take a marker and dab it around.
Or butter slime. And you're just going to want to
And
mix
then
it up.
play around with it.
Mix it up. You can add more color, but I wanted to keep mine light orange. Thanks for watching.
That's really cool.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Alright, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to his videos. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to all of his videos. And make sure you turn on notifications too. Also, make sure you do the same to my video. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on notifications. And I think I'm going to do, of course, this video that you see in front of you, testing no glue slime. I think we're going to do that in the next video. So, yeah. Bye, guys.